Hey everybody, how's it going? So today I got a quick deal alert for you guys about the Ryobi 30-minute or less for the 1.3 amp hour charger, which is the P117 charger, fast charger, and then the 4 amp hour lithium plus HP battery deal that I found. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. What is up everybody, how's it going? Alright, before we get started real quick, please like, comment, subscribe, and smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Alright, so I got a deal alert, something that I'd found while I was at Home Depot earlier today. So there is a combo kit that has this charger and this exact same battery in a clamshell at Home Depot right now, as well as online. It's $129 for that kit, and this is the P192 4 amp hour lithium plus HP 18 volt battery. So this one is the 4 amp hour extended capacity lithium plus HP high performance enhanced electronics. So they have this battery that's in another clamshell. It's basically the clamshell barely the size of the battery, and then this charger is not in a box. It's actually, you can actually see the entire charger. It's in a clamshell as well. So the charger is standing up like this, the battery is sitting like this, and that kit's $129. Well, this charger is the P117. It's the 18 volt dual chemistry charger. 30-minute charge in teleport technology, protects battery cells, maximizes battery life, and conserves energy. This is 120 volt, 60 hertz, 85 watt input, 18 volt direct current output, 6-foot cord. So this charger is $39 by itself. This battery, they're doing a deal if you just buy the battery. It's $79 instead of $89. So the deal that I found, I hope it helps everybody. The deal I found is that if you buy these, you purchase these separately, but you don't have to purchase like this one first, pay for it, and then this one, and then pay for it. What I mean is if you buy them not in a kit. So if you buy them like this, you take this up to the counter, take this up to the register or counter, scan this one, shows $39.97 on the receipt for the charger. The 18 plus 1 plus 4 amp hour, they took $10 off, it's $79. Comes out to $118.97 for both of these items before tax. The tax was $10.17, which made it $129.14. So the deal, because I went back and forth, I grabbed both the kit as well as these two items separately, went up to the register, and I asked the lady, is there a way that, can you scan both of these and tell me what it is with tax? And then scan the combo kit and tell me what that is with tax. And that's what she did. She scanned these two first. She, like I was going to purchase, she clicked next. It put the tax on it, which exactly came out to this exactly, $129.14. Then she wiped this off the register, and I took her the combo kit, or I brought both of them, which the combo kit is this guy right here, which is model number Paul Sam Kilo 004. So that, and that's the model number for this kit. It basically comes with this same charger, the P117 charger, and the P192 battery. Now this, I didn't take a photo of it. I should have taken a photo of it, and I'll probably take a photo and upload it on the community page for you guys as well as a deal alert also there. But this is $129.00. But when she rang this kit up by itself and then showed me it with the tax, it came out to $140 and some change. So you know, at $129.14, you're basically buying these two, you know, buying the battery separate from the charger, but on the same transaction. You're actually saving quite a bit. $40, you know, this is $129, so you're saving about 10 or so dollars, which is a lot, you know, and to some people it may not be a lot. To me, the way I looked at it is I was saving 20 bucks. That's the way I was looking at it, because the battery was $10 cheaper, and in this kit they're actually charging you $90 for the battery. So calculator, $129 minus $39, which is the price of the charger. They're charging you $90 for this battery, and I got the battery for $79. So that's where I'm saying the deal is, and you're getting, you know, upwards of 20 something dollars off. You know, maybe $27, $28, depending on how you look at it. But this charger's 39 bucks, because I have a receipt that shows $39.97. So, and even if you put 97, it's $89.03, which is the actual normal price of this, guys, actually $89.99. So you're saving $11 in essence on just the battery, and then you pick up the charger separately for its full price, and you're still saving at least $30 almost because of the tax. So when you buy it with the battery in its own clamshell and the charger in a box, you're actually saving quite a bit. You know, it may not be quite a bit to a lot of people, but to me, I was looking for a deal, and to me, and it came up as a 1 hour charger for some reason, even though it's not. But to me, I was looking for a deal because I don't have a lot of these tools and I don't have a lot of batteries. This is the very first 4 amp hour lithium plus HP battery I have, because I have 6 of these guys, which is the original style batteries that they made. So to me, it's an amazing deal for somebody that, you know, wants to save a few bucks. And, you know, 79 bucks on this 4 amp hour is not bad, because the 6 amp hour is $139. So, and, you know, it's not a bad deal in my opinion. I hope it helps somebody out there that may need one of these batteries or wants to try this charger. This charger is supposed to do a 4 amp hour in an hour and 20 something minutes, 20 minutes, 22 minutes, somewhere in there. Excuse my phone for that annoyance. The 30-minute charger on here, the emblem, it's talking about a 1.3 amp hour in this style battery. So this black with the dark gray, which is the original just 18 volt lithium battery. It's talking about a 1.3 amp hour version of this battery. It will do it in 30 minutes or less. But the charger that I do have already are these guys. I have these chargers right here that came in this 4 amp hour battery kit. I got 2 of these batteries, this charger. This charger takes 2 hours on the dot. Exactly, this is what I've measured just to charge this battery. So I'm assuming it's going to take a lot longer to charge this battery. Maybe 2 hours, 40 something minutes. That's quite a long time. So, you know, 1 hour and 20 minutes to charge one of these HP batteries is actually quite fast for a Ryobi charger, and that was why I picked it up. But I just wanted to be informative, help you guys out, provide a little more on the tool deals when it comes to things on the channel, because I'm going to be bringing more Ryobi to the channel. Want to say thank you guys so much for stopping by. Please like, comment, subscribe, smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. top of the description below, I also do have an Ulsa Tools link that will get you 10% off your order at ulsatools.com. As well as it kicks me back 10% off on my next order from Ulsa Tools when you guys use it. So it does help me out when you use it as well. If you use it, much appreciated. Especially if you use any of the affiliate links, much appreciated. One last thing I want to say to you guys is I want to thank all of you guys, no matter who you are, whether you're subscribed or not. You guys are the reason that the channel's monetized. So everybody that, you know, likes, dislikes, comments, you know, is subscribed, not subscribed, watches the ads on the channel every once in a while in the videos, uses the affiliate links. It's all because of you guys that the channel's monetized. So I want to say thank you very much for the help, and want to continue to make the channel better for you guys. So what I'm going to be doing in the near future is I'm going to be picking up some stuff for the channel. I'm going to be picking up 2 Sheetmaster jaw horses for personal use, as well as we're going to use them on the channel. I'm going to start buying wood with the money that the channel makes, and we're going to clamp that into the jaw horses, and we're going to go to town on head-to-heads with, you know, hammer drills, impact drivers from brand to brand. So the brands I have, 18-volt Ryobi now. I do not have any hammer drills, impact drivers, or recip saws or anything like that from Ryobi. If you guys want to provide some of your older Ryobi tools for me to do testing on and head-to-heads on, you know, try to get a hold of me in the comments below or in the YouTube channel description. I do have my email. You guys can email me to try to get a hold of me if you guys want to provide some of the tools to the channel for the head-to-heads. And I will more than happy send them back if you guys want me to send them back. I have no problem with that. I'll do the testing, record the videos, send the tools back. If you don't want to provide tools, it's no big deal. I'm just letting you guys know. I don't know if I have any plan to buy any of those style tools. So if you want to see the Ryobis in a head-to-head, either I have to get a good deal on it, or they might have to be provided to the channel, because I don't know if I really want to buy them, especially since I have Milwaukee, DeWalt, Metabo HPT, Bosch, Makita. I have hammer drills, regular drill drivers, and impact drivers for all of them, including their 12-volt and their 18-volt and the 20-volt models. You know, so I don't know if I want to do that per se, but I will be putting head-to-head all the tools and brands that I have. If you want to provide a tool, no big deal, let me know. If you went and purchased, you know, the new Ryobi HP, you know, 1 Plus, or the HP, the brand new hammer drill and impact driver, and you have a tool that you can spare for a couple weeks or whatever, I'm all down for it. If you guys want to help out, that would be awesome. If not, you know, keep doing what you guys are doing. You know, like, comment, and subscribe. You know, and hanging out and commenting on the videos and stopping by to watch the videos. Whatever you guys want to do, no big deal. Just letting it, you know, pushing that information out there. So I got Milwaukee M12 and M18. I got the fuel and the brushed. I have DeWalt 12-volt or 8-volt, 12-volt Extreme, 20-volt XR, 60-volt FlexVolt, 120-volt FlexVolt. I have a Makita 7.2-volt, 9-volt, 12-volt, 18-volt, 36-volt X2, as well as we're going to be bringing the 40-volt and 80-volt Makita tools to the channel. We got Metabo 18-volt. I got Bosch 18-volt core. I got Metabo HPT or Hitachi power tools and 18-volt and 36-volt multi-volt. I & Bosch sticks 18-volt. I got Earthquake 12-volt and 20-volt. I have corded Black & Decker, Porter cable, Bosch, Makita. I have Pneumatic. I got several brands of pneumatic tools. Earthquake XT pneumatic tools. I got Campbell Housefield, Snap-on, and several other brands. If any of that interests you guys on any of those tools, I could do testing on circular saws. I have, I think it's the 48 volt, I believe. The true HVL the skill saw, true HVL skill saw that's battery operated. I have that. And I've got several circular saws and several brands, including Milwaukee, DeWalt, Makita, the skill saw, and a couple others, including Porter cable. It's not cordless, but it's corded. But if any of those tools and the head-to-heads interest you guys, just let me know. Smush the bell notification icon if they interest you at all. I hope you guys have an awesome rest of your day. Didn't want the video to go too long, but we're at 15 minutes, so I hope you guys have an awesome rest of your day. Thank you guys so much for stopping by about this tool deal. I hope it helps you guys, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace!